guys, I'm Eden from Niceday. Niceday always create healthy and functional sanitary napkins. Today I would like to bring one of our new product, model N11 to you. You can see there is a purple chip in the middle. Actually, it is an anion chip. But we also add lavender extra in it, so it has special fragrance, can help to control the bad smelling and the bacterial growth, so it can keep your intimate places clean and healthy all day long. You can also see the surface. We use the organic cotton. Perforated also can help to better absorb the liquid. You can also see this pad is really thin. It can fit your body, fit your every move very well. You don't even feel this pad when you're using it. So anyone like this pad, please directly come to me. I can send you more details. If you like, please follow me. Have a nice day.